Look at this beauty. 86 W900B. It's got a 3406 cat motor in it, a 15 speed. Got a wet kit. Pretty slick. Unfortunately, the battery's dead, or I'd fire the thing up. That was a little bit upsetting, made me sad. Was the lowboy truck. I remember looking at this thing when I was a kid. The guys pulled up on a job to replace a culvert and dragging the lowboy behind it. Haul the excavator out. Pretty stinking cool. Got brand new tires on the front. I think what makes this thing is the wide front tires and that visor on the cab and the hood visor. I love those hood visors. I had one on my W900L. They are sweet. Brand spanking. Hopefully somebody can tell me about these 15 speeds, because it seems like I was reading that you shift let's see, how's that work now? You only use the deep reduction. How's that work on the low side? You only use deep reduction on the low side, and you can use it for every gear, but the deep reduction is forward, so it works in the opposite way that you would think of. How would that work? Works in the opposite way the normal splitter a normal splitter would. So you start up here, you go back, you shift to the next gear, and you're starting down there, and you go back. So I don't know. Hopefully there's somebody watching this video that knows the particulars of shifting a 15 speed and can enlighten me and the rest of us viewers on how that works. Anyway, this is a really sweet old truck. It's been well taken care of, and hopefully the next person that gets it will give it a good home, because man, it is so neat. Wish I could afford to get a rig like this. Anyway, thanks for watching.